Those are a couple of motorcycle parts from a Dnepr K-750. It's a Russian motorcycle from 1960s, early 70s. Those are a couple of parts which have to be cleaned, then polished. You see there are a couple of sidecar connections, some decorative, I don't know, pipes. This one as well. I don't know either where they're going on a K-750. This is the signal, which is really rare, and I'll have to polish it as well. This is the chrome ring around the headlamp. Those are the attachments for the handlebar. They're too rusty, and I'll have to clean it up with acid. Those are the bolts, which are going on the triple tree. This is the lock which opens the seat. I don't know how it works, but I'll have to polish this surface as well. Those are the attachments for the battery or the air filter, I don't know. They're really rusty and I'll have to restore them as well. This is the nut which goes on the top of the triple tree in the middle. It's rusty as well and I'll have to clean it with acid. Axles with nuts and some decorative washers on it. This is one attachment. It's like screwed on the bike. This is the cardantic transmission, which I'll have to restore as well. It will go into the acid bath as well. This is the second attachment, two attachment points on the bike, two washers, which kind of look really good. I think I'll just polish them. And the final part is the handlebar. Yeah. Looks pretty rusty, but I have hope about it. I think I will restore it, and it will not require any cleaning with any acid. I just hope so. So we will see that really soon. Well guys, here I have this plastic box. It's important to be plastic because if you use a metal box, the acid is gonna rot it as well. So now I will start putting the parts in. I'm sorry guys, I've been for a little lunch. So now when parts are here, oh geez, this sandwich is so fucking good. So now I have to put some acid in here. The acid works better when you pour hot water in here. The process, the chemical process, is getting more aggressive, and that is exactly what we need. Now I put a kettle on. The water has to be really hot. I really hope it's not gonna melt this box. I really hope so, but we will see. Well guys, here I have a kettle of hot water. I'm gonna just adjust everything before pouring it inside. I don't know if the box is gonna melt. I'm really afraid of this. So I think I'll be okay with that. I'm gonna use some baking soda. This is the main ingredient, but not now, not now. The first we have to pour is acid. The catalyst here will be the soda. I think I'll pour just 1.5 of them here. It's gonna be absolutely enough. Still, the water is hot. I'm gonna use it. Oh. Okay. And I'm gonna pour it in here. You have to pour it homogeneously and just stir it a bit. I'm gonna use a couple of parts from here to stir it. And now I'm gonna pour some more acid in here. Oh shit. It smells really bad. I can't even breathe. The acid already works. So now, and it's gonna make a lot of noise and a lot of bubbles. So on 3, 2, 1. We keep going, we keep going, keep going. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, 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 shit. Stir it a bit. Yes. Now the process is going pretty well. Now what we have to do is to put it somewhere, cover it, and then after a couple of days we're gonna remove it and clean them, brush them, and then we start polishing. Yeah! Alright guys, it's been a while, I mean a couple of days already, and it seems that it turns black. What I have to do now is to pour this acid away because it's useless now, and to brush the parts so I'll get the cleanest metal possible. Now guys, when the parts are clean, I can finally brush them and then prepare them for polishing. So this is how it looks. They just got a bit rust because I left them for a couple of days after cleaning them. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna brush them anyway. I just want to get rid of the excess dirt. Oh Jesus, it's really hard to breathe through this mask, but I'll have to finish my sentence. So now what I have to do is to take all those parts, clean them with a brush, and put them here on the table. I'm gonna attach the camera to this angle. Oh, sorry. So you'll see the whole process, and let's go. So this is how it is. This is how it looks. After brushing, it looks perfect, but it's not finished. There are a lot of things to be done. They have to be sanded. I mean, the geometry of the parts have to be fixed. You see here, it seems it was like sand casted. Yeah, it was sand casted for sure. So I have to fix this shape to be like to look really straight and neat. And the same I have to do here. You see the scratches from the lathe. They have to be smoothened out. So those are the top nuts of the triple tree. After being cleaned with acid, lots of dead chrome has been removed. You see only some left out on the edge here. It's gonna be removed anyway. The same have to be with this one. So this is how it is. This is how it goes. I'm so tired and I'm so satisfied at the same time. Well, next step is sanding them. Let's go. Look at that. Jesus. Oh God. Oh God. Jesus Christ. No more parts on this table. Nothing. Now I can easily tell you that those parts are ready for polishing. And here are a couple of smaller parts which I don't want to lose on the table because it's dirty. But as you see here, all the parts here are absolutely ready for polishing. All of goddamn them. And I'm so damn satisfied, you have no idea. It's been so freaking long. So, alright guys. Tomorrow, I'm gonna start polishing them because I'm so tired. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And I don't know, I think it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I didn't take a look at the clock. Alright guys, it's been a while. I finally feel better. And I have enough energy to work on hold this bunch of parts. So I'll put the camera right there, attach it, and I'll keep filming how I'm polishing those metal parts. So let's go. Alright guys, it's time to let those parts go. They're finished in the back trunk of the customer's car. This is it. This metal polish ring is going to go on the headlamp, which is there. Lots of parts have been just polished, buffed. Lots of parts have been fully restored, like those attachments. I'd rather just make this filming short, so I'd better make a couple of videos when those parts are going to be on the bike. See, everything here is prepared. They're just a bit dirty because I didn't have time enough to clean them out of polishing compound, but you see overally they're pretty much done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.